Hello viewers, today in this video I will unbox Samsung Galaxy F12 smartphone. In big billion days, this smartphone is available at a price point of 9,500 after applying bank discounts. This is a 4GB and 128GB version. On opening the lid, you will find the smartphone. I will keep this smartphone aside. Then there is Type-C port. Then this is the 15-watt charger, fast charger Samsung calls it. Then SIM ejector tool inside it. Now peel off the plastic. As the smartphone packs 6000 mAh battery, the smartphone looks bulky and heavy. At the back you will find textured polycarbonate body with stripes. This is a green color. Now coming to the build quality, at the bottom you will find 3.5mm jack, Type-C port, speaker grill. On the right side there is power button which doubles as a fingerprint scanner. This is volume rocker. On the top there is a secondary noise cancellation mic. Towards the left you will find the SIM tray. This is a triple slot with 2 SIM cards and a memory card. Now let me power on the device. After initial setup you will find that the display is nice. This is a TFT display with 90Hz refresh rate and it is an HD panel with good color reproduction, 6.5-inch display. It looks snappy after initial setup. Now it has a good color reproduction as you can see in this video. This is a non-copyright video. Now check the audio. Going to about phone, you can find that this is Samsung Galaxy F12. Now going to the software information, it is running on 3.1 One UI core version. This is not a full-fledged One UI version. This is running on Android 11 out of the box. At the back of the device there are 4 cameras: 48 megapixel main sensor, 5 megapixel ultra wide sensor, 2 megapixel depth sensor and 2 megapixel macro sensor. Now let me give you some samples so that you can judge by yourself. The quality seems to be okay at this point of time. Coming to the selfie camera is of 8 megapixel which takes decent photos according to its megapixel count, though it applies a lot of beauty effects on the photo. You can see by yourself. This device comes with Exynos 850 processor which runs on octa-core 2 GHz and it packs 6000 mAh battery, as a result of which the smartphone feels heavy. The phone runs on 90Hz display, so you can adjust this display by using adaptive display which will automatically detect whether the smartphone needs 90Hz or 10Hz. This is a good feature according to me. Also there is eye comfort mode and all the other features that are needed for a smartphone. If you have enjoyed this video, please like this video and share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel so that you can get more videos on smartphones and accessories. Thank you very much.